At first glance, the telltale solid front wheel, well, solid both wheels actually, on this 2018 Harley-Davidson FLFB Softail Fat Boy in color Vivid Black. It's a 2018 Softail, so it does have the new engine. The Milwaukee 8 107 cubic inch V-twin mated to a 6-speed transmission, and this particular specimen, as of this moment, still has fewer than 12,000 miles. And this year, Fat Boy, really fat rear tire. Excellent looking bike. Which is available for test rides 7 days a week between Vista and Escondido in San Marcos, right off the 78 at North County Indian Motorcycle. Come on out, take a look, take a test ride.